I have this laptop and actually power is connected and you can see the LEDs, but the charging light is blinking, which means that the battery is at 0%. It is starting up, but as soon as you remove the power, it's turned off. So let's open it up and see what's wrong with the battery. I removed the battery. It is not on camera, but there is no voltage on the connector. Visually there's nothing wrong with this battery. I have to look inside. There are no visible screws, so I have to break the case open. And as you can see, it's harder than expected. This battery pack is not intended to be opened. And this case is completely glued shut. No wonder it was difficult to get into. Again, no visible signs of a defect. I first measured the voltages in the batteries, and they are actually quite low. This laptop is not used for a long time. I suspect that the voltages is below the minimum threshold and the battery management system is shut down. And that is why the batteries cannot be charged. Which is confirmed. On the input of the MOSFET I have voltage, but not on the output. The BMS shut down the battery and it can no longer be used. I connect my bench power supply to the batteries to boost the voltage. I let them charge for a while until the voltage is high enough and the BMS starts working again. And there you have it, 14.8 volts, and it's also visible on the output connector. Great! Now test it on the laptop again and give it a full charge cycle. I connect the charger. The laptop is starting up, but that's not new. The LED is no longer blinking, but does the battery charge? And the answer is yes, the battery is charging again. That was an easy repair. Thanks for watching.